A lot of forex traders pay more attention to technical analysis while they ignore the forex news event parts. This is a big mistake because no matter how clean your chart may look, at some point, one major news will definitely flip the market instantly and change the narrative of things. So today, guys, we want to look into fundamental analysis, what it really means, how to use it, and how it works. Hello traders, welcome back again. Like I told you guys, I was going to be talking about the forex fundamental analysis. This is one part of forex trading that many people don't talk about. So if you are in this video looking for how to use this in complementing your trading strategy to helping you doing well better in forex trading, then this is the right video for you to watch because we are going to be breaking down what it is and how to use it. Okay, you guys know what we do here. We are RightWay Traders. We'll talk about forex trading realities. Most of the things we talk about here, people don't say much about it. So in today's video, we want to dive into fundamental analysis, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also go through our previous trading videos. We talked about many things, our trading concept that the 90% of forex traders that are losing don't know about. Okay, so in here, RightWay Traders will think differently. Our way of executing trade is completely different from the more conventional popular ways that are out there. So today, let's dive into fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis actually? This is just in simple terms, is the study of the economic and all these political factors that drive the market. Okay, these are what actually move the market. It is not even your technical analysis that move the market. Technical analysis, very important in trading, is one aspect of trading. It is just there to help you not to be doing guesswork in the market. So it is there to help you identify pattern that could be repeatable in the forex market. That's all for technical analysis. Then when it comes to fundamental analysis, this is actually what moves price to wherever it's supposed to be. Okay, so price is not predictable, but we know what is moving it. The people that are behind this currency movement and price, the government, the central banks, political factors, even sometimes even war can affect currency. So these are the fundamental aspect of trading. There are many traders that just deal only on fundamental aspect of trading, but these are traders that hold position for a very long time. Most of the position traders, they mainly focus on fundamental analysis and they have nothing to do with the technical aspect. But as for us that go in and out looking for patterns like the technical traders, we also use this to complement our trade. Now I'm going to tell you how we use this going further. So it may be that you took some good trade position and you believe so much in that trade, but because of a release of a news event, it will just go down straight to your stop loss so fast that you cannot even understand why it happened like that. It is important to us traders to avoid market spike and to avoid unfortunate incidents in the market. This is why you need to note when fundamental news events are being released and to know when to trade and when not to trade. First, let's go into the most important news event to track in your forex fundamental analysis. These are the top news events to note, okay? I will list them out for you and then I'll tell you where to get them. These news events are the interest rate decisions by the central bank, the CPI Consumer Price Index, which is inflation data that hints at future rates and all these changes. The non-farm payroll, which is the NFE, very important key US job reports because it usually moves US pairs strongly. In fact, every other pair follows when they release that news. The GDP reports, which measures economic growth. The unemployment rate, which affects policies decisions. Okay. Then the PMI news, which is the Purchasing Manager Index. Then again, speeches from central bank and all these major leaders that want to talk. All this usually affect the forex market. So take notes of all these events that I just brought in. Okay. Now, where can you find this event? You don't need to guess because all these reports are publicly scheduled. Okay. If you visit the investing.com website, you look for the forex news event and click on it. They'll show you the current one that you should be waiting for. Then my FS book economic calendar, and the most important or the most popular one, Forex Factory. From this website, you can get these events whenever they want to come up. So with that being said, how are you supposed to track it? At here, RightWay Traders, what to do whenever these news events are being released, we check if we are entering any position, we check for the news event that will hinder that account within the next 24 hours. And if it happens to be any of these affecting the currency, what we do, we avoid that market for that period. That is the best strategy so far, because we are not in there with them exchanging the blows. We don't know how it's going to be. So whenever the news events are being published, they usually give blood in the market. And when I say blood in the market, you see where the market is so volatile, the spread is so high, you can't even trade because your position will be at a loss immediately you enter any position. So most traders don't know about this, but also other traders use it to their advantage. This is when they want to flip accounts. Whenever the market is being, whenever the news event is being released, this is when they want to flip the account. I know traders that trade on the NFP news event that's being released because that is when the volatility is there. But I can tell you, just choose the way we trade here. The best option is to avoid it because you can never defeat the market makers. They are always there to know when to take you out. They may give you winnings once in a time, one here, one there, but always, most of the time, they will take you out. So, reasons why you need to avoid the market whenever these news events are coming up. From our trading course, the indicator algorithm trading strategy will give all these hints and the particular news event to avoid, just as I listed them for you. But there are some time that you calculate the number and know which one to avoid and which one not to avoid. Because if you want to be avoiding all the trading news that are coming up, you most likely not even enter any position. So they are the ones that you'll be avoiding and they are the ones you just have to be in. Okay. So knowing this is the fundamental analysis that we're talking about. So guys, that will be that in fundamental analysis. Best strategy, best approach to use, avoid them. Whenever it's coming, always be off of it because it is important you enter your position after the market news event has been released down for you to enter before the market news event has been released. So trade smartly. Don't be among the 90% traders that don't know about this. Now you're aware of this, add this to your trading strategy and see how this will make a difference, because the losses that you're supposed to incur because of being in the market at the wrong time will no longer be there. And so if you're supposed to lose $1,000 and you didn't lose that $1,000, that is a profit for you already. So this will really help your trading journey if you apply fundamental analysis. That will be all for now, traders. We'll give you updates concerning our trading this coming Friday. So stick to this channel. Every Friday we'll drop our trading update. If you want to follow us, make sure you click on the description of this video and go through our website and understand the way we trade, our psychology, our concept, our style of trade. Then you can always join us in our Telegram channel. Okay, that'll be that for now. See you guys on the next video.